Hi guys, I'm here to unbox the Jungkook collection speaker mood lamp. Now, so far, looks like that. Oh, it's a nice box. Okay, how do I open this?
It's been 84 years.
Okay, now I'm opening the box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I got a Jungkook envelope. Okay. Another seal I have to remove. I don't want to damage it. Oh, I already ruined. The OCD in me is not happy, but oh well. Wow, Jungkook. And we have the making log. So we have the speaker mood lamp and a remote. It looks pretty. So far there's no scratches or damage, thank God, from Weavers, because most of the time my albums always are not perfect condition, probably because of the shipping courier, but I'm happy. Alright, after putting the batteries on, let's see if it works. Well, I guess I need to charge it first since it won't turn on. So let's unbox the merch number 7 for my army membership. Now let's see merch box number 7 for the army membership. Now let's unbox it. I'm excited to use this because finally I have a clear bag to use in PBS concerts if we have one. Wow. Is that Namjoon? Wow. Let me open it. I'm very OCD, like, I don't want to ruin the bag. All that. Whatever. Let's just see. Well, I think it's really cute. My only concern, because the handle are white and also the, what do you call this? the, I don't know the word for it. the straps actually, yeah, the straps are white. It can get easily dirty. That's my only issue. But overall, I think it fits the size for any concert requirements, and yeah, I'm excited to use it. I charged it for a few minutes. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's see. Well, that's a fail. Well, after well, more like 30 minutes, I figured because I didn't read the manual, I thought it was wireless, but has to be plugged in with the AC adapter. So let's see if it works now.
Welcome to Jungkook's Microcosmos.
Yay!
Bluetooth mode is on.
I can hear Jungkook's voice. Let's see the light colors. Huh. I should turn off the lights actually. Oh wow. This looks so pretty.